Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix error while updating one items on Roblox. So guys, first of all you have to open browser and open a new tab and go to roblox.com. So once you are on the Roblox page guys, now so just go to an avatar editor here, and if your avatar editor doesn't open in your browser, just tap on this double A double E here and enable the desktop website if you are on iPad or iPhone, and if you are on Android, enable the desktop mode. Now once you're here, and if a particular item is not updating in your avatar, what can you do? Right now you can see that my avatar is not showing here, is not loading. You just need to tap on this redraw to reload your avatar, as you can see. Now if particular thing it is not which is not updating, like this cloth, if I want to update this cloth, as you can see it is taking a lot of time. Now you can see it is updated, but if I trying to wear it again, and if it does not update, what you need to do, you just need to tap on the name of the cloth instead of the photo. Just tap on it, it will take you to the page of the item. And now once you want, what you need to do, you just need to, if you want to update your item with your, try this out by tapping on this try on button. You can try this out, and if you go back guys, your error will be solved and your item will be, your one item will be update. Yeah, that's how you can fix it. Hope you like it.